So basically, I've been refused to go to Washington because of the corona shit. I have to go to McDonald's or either Tim Hortons. So we'll see that. I'll see if they'll say no, yes, probably. They might say no.
Turn left onto 6th Avenue North.
Maybe Tim Horton can allow us.
In 400 meters, turn left onto
Jimmy, we're getting serious.
Timmins are our friends. Maybe they will have a place. And giant tigers.
Turn left.
I don't know if they just...
Oh,
sorry.
No, that's all fine. That's all fine.
If they...
Buffaloes. Jamus like it. Bagara Jamus. So yeah. Oh yeah. So there's some buffaloes out there on our way to Edmonton. This is real amazing actually. Okay, eat one. Oh yeah, there's 3 of them. That's amazing. Oh wow.
Ayala ko kelitio. Kila pirang ayala ko. Kelitio.
Kesaf ba?
Kesaf jengkel kesaf ada itu.
Taketa.
Kul dah
Kenya wala.
Kul ini bus lagi dah asal ini bus lesu.
Sabe.
Sabe wala. Kala ayala ko.
صدقني.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 32 مرتا.
ما انت بس كفر لا إلا تمام. Please don't go away. Can you say ini jurub ini kan elab. Ara. Ayo lu.
Jadi ela dói. Ela dói lá fumus. Dói lá. Não sei lá. Ai. Allah شوف نصر المردين.
نعم.
يا انفرنا ولا.
والله تمام.
يا اندينيا. يا هم كوي موسي لا بولا. ela abade masari ke kel kolfo pu ila to kolfa ni kena na kiring la. Ya. Jangan masuk.
Ay. Hans kombo wala sini. La iya tangan yang kiri udah ada.
Kami nak kira.
Ay, yang dah raku leba.
Iro kira rati wala.
Ay. Safar kurang aku. Safar kurang. Yang kiri atau.
Ayo.
السفر كرة.
كين زلوا وينجلا كين كوا كاكاوي.
ايوه.
كين كوا كاكاوي.
نعم ايوه والله.
إيه؟ أي والله.
يا تورنكوي. أي فيديو.
يا كمان هذا الحمد لله. يا
a little hyena, right?
Yeah, hyena.
Oh, is that one over there too? Oh, just some.
إنا مين يا أسي أنا اتصلت للخال محمد أحمد عبد العزيز نمس إنكوا الآن فيها إنجز كوا يا حساب ساكبة لكن سارتين حساب فلي نمس
أي أوجي.
تورا أول.
إيجالاي.
الخال إلا تورو تجرولا إلا تورو إلا تورو تجرولا أجرو إلا دك إلا نكيرنا إلا نجيل دكير جرولا إلا نسكيا
سيجارين
أنا أقول إن دكيرا إيه
سيجارين دن دوين الزبير
إلا كيرا ولا أي إيه جاريا إلا كيسير لو يا إمبلي كين وقت كوي إيه
كين بس دالك
أنا أقول إن تعرف أي فيه
Acabou aqui de viajar, ai. Den da keka mas jengkel ya fada zara. Ya mal ini.
En harke yana do itiya. Indigir lonzi kakago. Lakin la risakya illa karo. Anyala ko bujire bage en na donga kulele ya aniya. Lakin go bajige ban turban fiya. Ina kila mozara ya baka gire ban turban ko. لأن هلا إني مزارع دكة أو جير بنتر وين ذا يا لانكو up here that big stuff.
Oh, I thought that was a life.
Rest area in lower part there.
There's chickens?
Yeah, in Yabal Al-Qatar Leki and Kabir. Al-Dela and Kabir. Al-Dela Grants Kabir. Fasulia and Gimah Kabir. Al-Qatar Lehamilin. Yeah, it is a carry that's never this one here is
oh wow, that's amazing road.
Jamalnya.
I love that.
Ni power. In the summer we'll come here.
Arabian is in Nami. And do you like Kento and Amakas? Zamani can you make in Hadid Castle?
Look, this hotel.
Oh, yeah. I've seen it. But one day you can handle that. If you can't hotel like a man, the Corral
is still in Manitoba. Oh, this is a big city. Oh, it even has McDonald's. It has everything.
Kuwa.
You have Tim Hortons, you have Subway. Look, gangsters. Take the photos.
No. What is up?
Cyclists.
Yeah.
Yeah, 24 runs, lots of fun. okay, we're in a kind of we'll go up there. We just come with Ibrahima. We will never go to Saskatchewan. You know,
no.
yeah, we'll come in the morning. We'll come in the morning. Like, we'll come at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
At 10, at 8 o'clock, we'll be here.
Right.
So we have fun. At 12 o'clock, we'll go back.
And just like walking around, that's anything.
Yeah, they have a lot of fun here. Actually, they have, what do you call? Actually, in this province, like in Brandon, they have a lot of fun. And they have free food, you know. And they have a free hotel.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
That's amazing, crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy, amazing. I don't know. And rock, you know. Forget about the Easter egg. I like the shit I mean, it's so good.
Unbelievable. It's water stream, right? Wow.
The hill is so amazing out here. Wow. Oh yeah, there's a bird. Oh, mining?
Huh?
Mining, right?
Yeah.
That's the first time we've seen mining out
I
here.
know. No, I know this guy.
Huh?
You know what they do?
Yeah.
They dig here and they take two types of rocks. They allowed here to take two types of rocks.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah.
They take sand, they take
Whatever those black rocks are. It looks like cement, but I don't know what. It's cement. This is amazing, actually.
Huh?
Being the hill. This is amazing. Yeah. Asa ini sa yanzu kan ini muna mi masa bedu microphone sa yanzu in sorin gi fara zam sort be yanzu yanzu bas juriti kamera le a jugu fi da ji bere bere sa yanzu no ki microphone recording ji ei zamana ki son me na mo video da kenan
wallahi. So microphone is important.
Yeah. That's what people do. Like you see when people do like those videos like driving through somewhere like right. That's how they do it.
They have microphone.
Yeah. If they wanted to talk, then they just have their microphone. They can talk.
Okay.
And they put that in the video. So the camera is silent. So the camera doesn't make any noise. Ilon ase ini kau ye kau Därʻfo ye kau Därʻfo butang kan ni ane kita
Därʻfo kau butang kan? Jigil dua itu.
Ay wallah, mashallah.
Ibu dulu itu. Very funny views.
Right.
There's a dairy company there.
Dairy company?
There's a village down there.
What is this place called again? I forgot.
They call it here, Maridosa.
Hopefully I get that. It's a steep hill over here on It's steep. I mean, what do you call it? The speed. Yeah, the speeding ticket is double over here.
The speeding ticket here is double.
Yeah, that's dangerous actually. There's no joke about it.
Wow.
It's not easy to slow down the car if you were to go really fast. You could knock out like other vehicles out here. Really some huge mountains out here.
The speeding ticket here is double. Asal apa yang river? Ini ada danton betul.
Really?
Wallah ini ada danton yang betul. Asal apa yang river?
One thing I hate about making videos is just like the camera shake and run. I really hate that.
You know, when he's out in space, he's playing both. You know, he's learning how to be connected to a planet he's not on, but is doing such great service on our behalf. So, you know, musicians and people in culture, we're in the humanity service industry, literally. And I feel like in making this video, little things, my girlfriend thankfully was feeding us some frozen pizza every now and then. You know, I was on a mission, and I feel so grateful to hear comments that are, you know, a mom who's at home with her daughter in crisis, and the daughter is just struggling to cope as anyone of any age is, and
West Edmonton, Yellowhead Trail, right?
Yeah.
That udah downtown sih kita sah. Ini apa downtown on?
Wala namang exit.
Ya downtown.
Oh, mas na.
Downtown mungkin.
Mas nagkakinaw ko na sa may.
In 600 meters, merge onto Alberta 16. Head west on Hayter Road northwest toward 17th Street, northwest 17th Street. Continue on Hayter Road northwest for 4 kilometers.
هنا البوليس اسمه بيس اوفيسر ما زي في مانيتوبا اسمه بوليس اوفيسر. الشارع ده اسمه شنو؟ شارع سكري. الشارع ده اسمه 129 Avenue.
Yeah.
Yeah, 129
Oh, ini merayu ni.
Yeah, kini merayu. 129 Avenue. اسمه 129 Avenue. ولا كمان
300 meters.
64
64
yeah.
street
64 street. والله ما شاء الله إدمنتون حلو يا أخي، بس المشكلة إنه بالليل والله يا أخي.
Turn left onto 66th Street Northwest.
يا ريت لو كان جينا بالنهار يا أخي.
قدر.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Yellowhead Highway East. Head southwest on Fork Road Northwest toward 127th Avenue Northwest. In 600 meters, turn left onto the Trans-Canada Highway Alberta 16 East Ramp.